Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 22. This is Section 2.2, Problem 22. It says, write the prime factorization of the number and write repeated factors using exponents. And we have the number 240. So what primes multiply to make 240? And what you'll see is you can start it many different ways. In the end, you should get to the same answer no matter how you start. The first thing that I think of is 24 times 10. That makes 240. Neither one is prime, but that's okay. You can keep splitting up each one. The 24 will split into, I will go with 6 times 4. There are other ways to split it up, but again, you'll have the same result in the end. I think of 6 times 4. The 10 will split into 2 times 5. So now you can go a little bit further because the 6 and the 4 are not primes yet. So the 6 can be split into 2 times 3. We have a 4, that can be split into 2 times 2. I have a 2 here, that won't split, so I just bring it straight down. Same thing with the 5 at the end. It's already prime, so it won't split, it'll come straight down. Now the bottom row, everything is prime. I have 2, which shows up many times, that's prime. 3 shows up, 5 shows up, those are all prime numbers. So 240 equals 2. Now 2 shows up 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So to use exponents, that would be 2 to the 4th times. I'll put the 3 next. There's only one of those, so 3 to the 1st power. And 5 also shows up only once. So the prime factorization of 240 is 2 to the 4th power times 3 times 5. Those are the primes that multiply to make a 240.